The finished products are just a fraction of the size of a dime, but there's plenty of spare change invested in them. President Bush signed into law Wednesday a bill authorizing $3.7 billion for research in the smallest science, nanotechnology. 24th District Rep Sherwood Boehlert authored the legislation.
New York is a leader in nanotechnology. Last week I was at the State University in Albany, a nanotechnology center. We have one at Cornell, we have one down on Long Island, all over the state. The wave of the future in New York, and the governor recognized it and is leading the way, is investment in technology.
That means support for Cornell University's expanding nanotechnology center. A new $63 million home for the center will soon be opened, housing another $50 million in research equipment in the rooms alone. Dr. Carl Batt is the co-director.
What we're doing at the Nanobiotechnology Center is to try to build tools to not just see the microscopic world, but to really begin to analyze different events that happen at a very, very small size scale.
But it's not just science that folks in Washington are hoping this bill can help. It's also manufacturing jobs, something that's been dwindling in the New York economy for years. But there are already 2 companies in the Cornell Business and Technology Park that specialize in nanotechnology. And they say this bill could lead to many more like them.
One of the difficulties with nanotechnology is the cost involved. One of the very beneficial things of this recent bill is that it provides the research dollars necessary to get started. It provides the area for small startup companies to begin their incubation phase to become companies like Kionics, like others that develop the nanotechnology area.
The whole dynamic revolution of the 90s, when for 10 consecutive years, quarter after quarter, year after year, upward in terms of number of jobs, number of the impact on the economy, very favorable. It was all driven by investment in technology.
Some legislators raised science fiction type fears, but researchers say they're encouraged by provisions in the bill to find out what the science can, cannot, and should not do. In Ithaca, Adam Arndt, Newswatch 16.